Welcome to my channel today, where we discuss the best easy Forex strategy. The strategy I am about to share has been in existence, or I've been using it for some time now. It's not that it does not fail, but it has high probability of winning. It is very easy and simple. And among my strategies, it is the best. That is why I'm sharing it with you. Now, why I said among my strategies, no single strategy is fail proof. So, as a good forex trader, you must have two or three forex trading strategies that you deploy depending on the market condition. So, without further ado, let's go deep into uh, how this forex strategy comes about, or things you need to know about this strategy. Now, let's look at it this way. Let's go back to the forest, from forex to forest. Who are the big boys in the forest? Who are the small boys in the forest? How do they fetch what they eat? Now, let's look at it. The lions, the crocodile, the cheetah, the tiger. How do these animals survive? What is their rate of eating, or how do they eat? Now, lion can take the whole day stalking an animal, taking his or her own time to ensure that this animal is close to the distance where if it chases to catch the animal. The crocodiles can remain in the water for days, calmly waiting for the food to come. The tiger, the lion, these animals take time, calm down, patiently wait for the food, and that is their success rate is usually high. They are the big boys. What of the small boys in the animal in the forest? The gazelle, the pigs. You can see those ones searching for food here and there, and their life is at risk. They eat every minute of the day, virtually every second of the day, but their life is usually at risk. At risk. So liken this to your forex trading. Are you a big boy or a small boy in the market? The big boys patiently wait for the market to mature. They patiently wait for the market to mature. Therefore, if you want to be a big boy in the forex trading, let me tell you the fact: you must not make forex trading your primary source of income. No, you should have other means of getting money. I trade forex professionally, but it is not my major source of getting income because I, once I see the market has matured, I will pull in fund and fund my account, trade that matured trade, and once I make my profit, I pull all my money from the market and go back again to start monitoring the market as it goes. Until you start reasoning like the lions, like the crocodiles, you will serve as food to the big ones. Those gazelles, those animals that eat here and there in the forest, they serve for they are food to those patiently waiting animals. So choose the one you want to be. You want to patiently wait for the market to mature before you strike? Or will you want to be going in and out of market every minute of the day? And obviously, you will end up in the belly of the successful traders. Now, this is the strategy I want to share with you. The content of the strategy is, I call it movement against the trend. I am the one that I termed it this way: movement against the trend. Why do I say movement against the trend? If you don't know, trend takes trend takes 5 years, 10 years, 8 years to change. Are you doubting me? Okay, let's go to this channel, this chart. Now, this is Euro USD. If you want to dictate um, the trend, you go to the higher time frame. Now, this is it. Let's minimize it. Can you see that? Let's take this here. Let's look at this. Do you see? This is 2008, 2008 to 2008 to 2024. Euro has been trending downward. Do you see that trend? This is over 10 years or thereabout. The trend has been downward. So trend doesn't change easily. Now, my own trading pattern, I may not bother going for the trend. I may not bother going for the trend, but what I do is I trade the movement against the trend. That is what I trade. Virtually everybody say follow the trend, follow the trend. Yes, I don't dispute that. But I enjoy the movement against the trend or the respite in the market. That is what I trend. Now, the success of it depends on I mastering the currency pair, not the market, but the pair. Like Euro USD, I know how many pips averagely it moves in a month. I understand the language. You must understand that pair, one or two pairs, the behavior of the pair at every condition. You must understand it if you want to trade this my strategy. Then you master some of the particular languages. These are general languages. It's quite unfortunate most people don't bother to learn this language. How can you profit in the market if you don't understand the language of the market? So you master the language in this class or in this video. I will list some of the languages. Now, my trading is one direction. If the market is an upward trend, that means all I will be trading is selling. The market is upward. I will be selling at any given time I have the opportunity. Remember, it is not a long day, not a long time trading. It's a short time strategy. So within 1 2 days, I've made my money and out of the market. My exit point is when the formation is nullified or when it is in the profit. This is exactly how I train this strategy. I master the currency pair. I master Euro USD and gold. These two pairs, I know them at my fingertip. Then I master a lot of languages. Now, if I am to trade, if it is an uptrend, now I know the movements, reversal movements or languages, which we will look at in a very short while. Now, short bullish price movement reversal patterns. Yes, the market is in a bullish condition. That is, the market is uptrend. Now, I trend uh, short bullish price movement reversal pattern. Now, the market is in uptrend. So the short reversal patterns, remember the trend is a very long uh, period. So I don't follow the trend, but I do what? The movement, the reversal movement. Now, there are up to 10 price movement reversal patterns you must watch out in every downward trend. Yes, in every downward trend. Sorry, this should be in every upward trend. In every upward trend. But I will discuss not five. Let me discuss one, the major one you should always look out for. Yes, never joke with what I'm saying from this point because that is almost the holy grail of forex trading. That is what has been making me money. Now let's look at it. These are the patterns or the languages that it speaks when market is going up. We have evening star, dark cloud cover, tweezer tops, hanging man, bearish engulfing pattern, and counter attack line, Arami or Arami cross, doji star, shooting star, and bearish belt hold. Now, out of all these languages, there are two I trade professionally. So there are a lot of them. What you do is you choose one or two and patiently become the big boy in the market. Patiently wait for the market to come in your direction. So I trade dark cloud cover. In fact, this is the formation that has never failed. I've never seen it fail, but you must patiently wait for it. Now, and um, engulfing patterns. These two patterns has never failed me. Yes, they are virtually consistent. So how do you trade it? Let's go to the chart. Now, this is how dark cloud cover happens. You can see this is a the market is moving upward, which is a trend. It's a general upward trend. But remember, I want to trend a movement against the trend. Now, I must understand the language that is telling me that, oh, we will move a bit against the trend before we continue. Now, this is it. Now, you see, the buyers took the first candlestick is buyers fully in the market. Now, the second candlestick closes, opens a bit higher than this. It opened a bit higher than this, moved up, then came down, closed deep into this one. Now, the confirmation of this pattern is that another bearish candlestick take place. With this, I'm telling you, strike, you will definitely make money. Let's check this if it happens on a chart. Let's go to this chart and see if we can see something like that. Okay. All right. This is it. This is it. Where is it? Sorry. Let me. All right. This is it. Check these candles. Check here. You can see this point. You can see. Now, this is it. This is a bullish candlestick. The market is coming up, and this is bullish candlestick. You can notice that this candlestick opens a bit above this candlestick and move up, later come and dip into this, more than 50% of this, and another bearish candlestick occur. From this, you are to buy, you are to sell. You see, the market goes to this point, even to this point, before continue the trend. This is a wonderful pattern. I don't joke with it. It's very simple, easy. Simple and easy. Where is the strength of the market? Up. Fine. I know that the strength is up. So what I'm looking at in a short time frame anyway, one day time frame. What I'm looking for is candlestick pattern formation. That is the language I understand very well. So this is it. This is a perfect formation of a dark cloud cover. And I'm telling you, you strike, nothing stops you from making up to 100 or 200 pips. Then, once that is done, the trading rule, this is what it takes it to form. Yes, the second day candlestick must penetrate over 50% of the first day candlestick. This is what I'm saying here. You see, this is the first day, because is this formation is between this 1, 2, 3. So the second day, which is this, penetrate more than 50%. Look at the penetration. It penetrates more than 50%. You can see it, of the first candlestick. Then the second, the third day candlestick must be bearish. Yes, the third day candlestick must be bearish. And this is the third day candlestick. Do you see it is bearish? And once that is done, in fact, you should strike. If this occurs above resistance and still fall below the resistance, then it is a strong sign of selling off. Yes, look at what this statement is saying. If this is a resistance, if this thing is a resistance, if this point is a resistance point, and this thing forms, that the market, this particular candlestick has broken a resistance with intention of going up, right? And this formation form you are good to go. When it forms falling back to the resistance, it is a powerful sell point, as you can see this. This is the best easy forex trading strategy that I have been using for years, and it has not failed. Your success with this strategy depends on you understanding the language of the forex, the language of the charts. Once you understand this language, you can always trade my pattern, movement against the trend. I am the founder of that pattern, and it has been helping me for a very long time. You know the trend, not that you don't know the trend, and you don't want to trend the trend for reason best known to you, best known to me. I don't go with the crowd. So what I do is I wait for the crowd to be exhausted. Once they are exhausted, we will come into the market and pick what we want to pick and leave the market. Please, if you're enjoying my video, if you did enjoy it, subscribe, share, be part of my community as we progress in this journey. If there's anything you want to know more about Forex, leave the comments in the comment section below so that we can flow together in this journey. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe once more and share my content. Click on the notification button to be notified whenever there is a good or more videos coming from me. Thank you for watching.